Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to solve exercise of unit number 4. The name of the unit is collecting things. We already done its part A, so let's move towards its part B, that is about working with words. Use these words in sentences of your own. Particular, pastime, influenced, available, obtained, depends. First word is particular. We don't need any particular newspaper. Pastime. Reading is a good pastime. Influenced. I am greatly influenced by my teacher. Available. Stamps were easily available to the collectors. Obtained. I obtained some new shirts for my brother. Depends. Success depends on your habits. Next question is, here is a crossword puzzle. All the words can be found in the second paragraph of the lesson. Clues grow on trees. First is leaves. Second, found on sandy beach shells. Eaten off plants. Sticky bags. Stamps. Soft and ticklish feathers. Keep the sun off. Hats. Old and ancient. Antique. Very hard stones. Put adverbs in the sentences below, either after the verb or after the object. We slept. He slept soundly. He went back immediately. She made a new dress carefully. Change the following into direct speech using asked. First sentence is, are you going to school today? My mother asked. My mother asked me if I was going to school that day. Where are your books? She said. She asked me where were my books. Have you had your breakfast? She continued. She asked if I had my breakfast. Have you tidied your room? She asked. She asked me if I had tidied my room. Change the following into direct speech. Don't forget the inverted commas. She asked me where I was going. Where are you going? She asked. She asked me if I was going to the market. Are you going to the market? She said. I told her I was not. I am not, I told her. Then she asked me if I was going to the park. Are you going to the park then? She asked. Make a list of transitive verbs in the following paragraph. Once there was a boy. Was. He lived in a huge forest. Lived. His house was very small. Was, and his mother and father lived there too. Lived. One day he walked down the path. Walked. Suddenly he saw a tiny snail. Saw. He picked up the snail. Picked and took it home. Took. When he reached home, he showed the snail to his mother. Reached and showed. Make a similar list of tips as the one found in the lesson for someone who would like to collect number 1 पे stamps and B पे seashells. First of all, collecting stamps. To collect stamps, you will need an album, gum, tongs, a pot of water, and its procedure is put the envelope with the water to moisten it. It will loosen up the stamps and make it easier to peel them off. Second step is use tongs very carefully to peel the stamps. Don't use your finger for that. You might damage the stamp. Let the stamps dry, iron them carefully to remove any wrinkles. Apply the gum on the stamp's back and put it carefully in the album. Put stamps in sets according to country or date. Collecting shells, seashells. To collect seashells, you will need glass jars, sandpaper, a pot of water, and its procedure is clean the seashell carefully with the sandpaper. Don't use too much force or you might scratch them. Put them in water for a while. Take them out, dry them with a soft cloth, and put them in the jar. Only one should be kept in one jar.